Welcome to my channel. Let's learn use of should and should have.
Use of should, present or future advice. We use should to give advice, make recommendations, or say what's the right thing to do. Structure. Subject, should base form of verb. Examples. You should study for your exam. Advice. He should see a doctor. Recommendation. They should arrive by 5 p.m. Expectation. 2. Use of should have. Past advice or regret. We use should have to talk about something that was a good idea in the past, but it didn't happen, often showing regret or criticism. Structure. Subject should have past participle. Examples. You should have studied for your exam, but you didn't. He should have seen a doctor, but he didn't. They should have arrived by 5 p.m., but they didn't. Quick tip. Expression time, meaning should present future. It's a good idea now or later. Should have past.